For a long time, there was false information being spread like crazy that COVID just doesn't affect children. And it really, really does. And if you look at deaths and you look at hospitalizations and you look at this syndrome, which is called MIS-C, which is a very serious condition, there have been over 15,000 children hospitalized in the United States from COVID. There have been over 300 children that have died of COVID. And there's been almost 4,000 of these cases of MIS-C, which we don't really know the long-term consequences of this. And there's also something called long COVID, where people just don't generally recover after having COVID and they have long-lasting symptoms. So I think you may know who was spreading that misinformation, but it was just completely not true that kids are not affected by COVID-19. Now, it is true they have a lower risk of dying than adults, but it's not a zero risk. And so kids are part of our community, and it's not just about getting COVID, it's also about spreading COVID. And we've seen for many months now that the groups of people that are getting cases and really perpetuating this pandemic on and on are younger people, 12 to 29 or so.